how did you sleep?
It's too hot in it.
Is it?
Too hot.
Like proper roasting?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you doing with that?
Just about to polish my helmet.
Well, it's a good thing to do in the morning, isn't it? Getting nice and
I
clean.
always like to give it a good polish in the morning. It got a bit dirty last night, so yeah.
That's
You
good.
just caught me as I was about to polish my helmet.
That's good. I'm glad I caught you about to polish your helmet. I don't feel at all emotionally scarred in any way whatsoever. So I reckon, next door to me, right, I reckon they were having the argy-bargy, right? So what I did, thinking it might make them stop, I went into the
You
loo.
up at the wall like that?
No. I went to the loo and made noises because I was having a ginormous poo, right? The problem is, I think they thought I was at it because then they started making louder noises. And I was just like, going, no. And they were going till 3 in the morning. I mean, they were like superhuman. So I kept going and pretending I was going for a poo. And they kept doing the same thing.
That's been a predicament, isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you have to keep out competing them?
Yeah. Christ, I put some big sort of turtles in anyway. Should we go and get some of our £45 a night breakfast?
I hope it's good, because I'm starving now.
I've got
Dinner
a
wasn't
feeling.
the best last night, was it?
No, I've got a feeling it's going to be ropey.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, I
It's
reckon.
royal.
Yeah, it's royal £45. This is your version of royal. My version of royal is that they take your bags.
This is
You go-
better than the last place you booked us into.
Yeah, but that was because I was trying to be cheap for you. Because you said I want to go camping, so I booked a place that was as close to camping as possible. It was rubbish all over the floor. It was really bad. It smelled.
Yeah.
It's like camping.
Yeah.
Right,
Let's go get some breakfast.
let's get some breakfast. Do you think because it's a buffet, you've had loads of extra?
No.
You're not kind of gone to town. You're trying to get like every pound's worth out of the price.
You've got it, haven't you?
Just remember you booked it. Do you know what? For 45 quid, you can't really complain, can you? I mean, I slept all right. The breakfast was actually half decent. And to be fair, other than the toaster cooking half of the bread, that was quite funny, and the other half being uncooked, and actually the Sidekick ate it, that's even more special. But do you know what? It was all right. It was okay. I'd actually say the Royal Hotel in Skegness for 45 quid is good. For 45 quid. Don't tell the Sidekick that, because obviously he'll get a big head. As far as he's concerned, it was absolutely terrible and he needs to up his game. Anyway, right now I'm going to chuck on the bike gear. The Sidekick's getting ready and we're going to jump on the bikes and check out this East Coast adventure, this route that we've downloaded. And hopefully it'll be absolutely epic. If not, I'll blame the Sidekick again. Okay, so in the daylight, the hotel probably doesn't look as posh as it did when we turned up last night in the fog. It looked quite grand with its fountain, but ladies and gentlemen, this is our final goodbye to this interesting hotel. Sidekick.
Yes, mate.
Well, you've got to step up your game a bit with choice with hotels, because that wasn't posh enough. But the most important thing of all is my bike is wet, isn't it?
Look at it. This was the shiniest it's ever been before we left yesterday. I can't believe how bad it is already.
I'm just really shocked you didn't go out here at 5 in the morning and give them a clean and dry them off, to be fair. You could have wheeled mine inside as well. It would have been warm.
It's stuff.
Are you ready anyway
Yeah.
to get out of Dodge, because this is basically dodgy?
This is the best part of Skegness I think I've seen.
To be fair, it is. We'll get through Skegness as quickly as possible. We'll get out the other side. If we survive and we're still in one tap, we've still got our wheels left on our bikes,
Yeah.
then we'll start this awesome East Coast adventure, yeah?
Yeah. It's looking good, isn't it?
Yeah, well, it's beautiful. I mean, the sun is fantastic. It's not
Yeah.
foggy at all, and not cold and not damp.
Let's remember it's the middle of winter. It could be a lot worse.
To be honest, yeah, it is a January adventure. I'm looking forward to looking at the sea as we go literally past the coastal ride in the fog, looking at the beautiful sea and the coastline,
The foggy sea.
and the ladies in bikinis.
You reckon?
Yeah, well, it's like I said, these are like the quality people that wear the fake tans and then try and sunbathe in like fog. So I reckon we'll have a good giggle.
Could be. There'll be some rum'uns out there.
Could be. Right, let's go on the bikes, let's go. The person that drives the Humvee over there is either fat or thinks they're well hard.
Probably both. Fat, well hard, gold chains, gold teeth. And it's on finance.
Not that we're stereotypical in any way whatsoever. I'm sure it's a really lovely person that needs that car. I'm sure they do a lot of exciting army off-road training in it.
Not with them wheels on it, have you seen them? Big bling bling wheels.
Yeah, but we're trying to be nice to them. We've just insulted two sorts of people, really, haven't we? This trip so far. I'm just trying to dig ourselves out of a hole, but yeah, quite clearly, like, you're right. Gold chain, fat, thinks they're well hard.
We'll probably better get out of Skegness before we get kicked out.
We probably have been kicked out. We're on the wanted list. Right, do you know the best bit of it is? Every time I switch on the sat nav, it adds a couple of miles on.
That's it.
Yeah, we're 210 miles for our 200-mile adventure now. I just stole my bike. All right, let's go. Come on, stop messing around.
You know where you're going.
Oh yeah, good point. Yeah, I think we've layered up, haven't we? Because it's about 5 degrees today, but we know it's going to feel colder, especially at the minute. So we've kind of left our layers on as such, and getting out of that hotel room, it's like getting sweaty Betty, isn't it?
I had the window open and turned the radiators off and I was pouring with sweat just getting dressed.
Well, if you're in shape like me, mate, you don't really sweat, you know. Well, Sidekick, to the right of us right now is the beautiful beach and the sea and all that, and we can't see it because there's a hedge there, but imagine it now being absolutely stunning and a beautiful clear day, and we're not riding this weird misty fog.
Yeah, I can just imagine it now, riding along in our pants, drinking pina coladas. Yeah, it'd be lovely.
It would be, wouldn't it? It would be if that was possible. But what we've got is this beautifulness of this road. It's a nice bumpy road on a lovely foggy rubbish day, but we've got only one thing we can do.
What's that?
Well, with the editing, make it look absolutely epic.
Can you do that?
Well, we can make it look like we can. Everyone can imagine us smiling as we're doing this amazing cool little montage of epicness. Well, after that epic scene that we just made, what will make everybody wish that they were here, we've come and found a beach. Now, we've actually been to this beach before when we did a charity trip, and I took my scooter to the sea to raise money. Now, the thing of it is, the Sidekick was very jealous that day, and he said, I'm going to come back and do what you did, but on a big boy's bike. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to give you the most nuttiest ever Sidekick attempt at trying to beat me at something ever. So, are you feeling confident? Because let's be clear, we can see the sea in a fog mist quite a distance away.
It's out there somewhere, isn't it? I think. I don't know how confident I am. It's pretty soft, but
just gun it. I literally give it the gun, stand up, and if you fall off, I'll get it all on camera. You ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. He's bogging! He's bogging!
Yes, made it! The Aprilia does it again.
Wait for him to come off. Wait for it. Oh. Did you touch the sea?
Oh. Yeah, this is the sea, isn't it?
No, that's the sea. You're supposed to touch the sea.
I'm out of breath.
Dude, you can do this.
Let's go.
All the way. Gun it, gun it, gun it. How's it feel?
Awesome.
The real man now.
Your turn now.
Yeah, I'll do it in style.
Oh no. I think it's going to be a bit harder getting back. It's just took a big hole. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Now, the funny bit of it is, he just went across here. I'd probably say at around 15 miles an hour. Realised that there's a bank to get off of the bit we're on at the beach and stalled it and got stuck. So now he's sweating his bum off, pushing his bike back, and it's just cut out again.
You want to give us a push?
Now the question is this your idea of saving fuel?
It is saving fuel.
Are you knackered?
Yeah.
I thought you were supposed to be the one that's healthy.
Wait till you do it.
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
I'll give you a push.
I want to.
And then you got to buy the beer for the rest of the day. Right.
Part of the day.
Let's go. Yeah, go on, son. You're going sideways. You know you're going the wrong way. You're going that way.
No, just trying.
You ready? Let's go. Come on! Treat it like a big poo! What are you doing? You don't go for a big poo and stop halfway through. With a big poo, you don't stop halfway through, do you?
I'm going to take my helmet off.
I don't know if I'm going to do it now. It's a lot of effort.
These now can't get going.
I think you should have gone a bit quicker.
Huh?
About 100 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Straight up.
Oh.
It's all about speed. Speed and power.
Speed.
It's power and speed.
Power and speed.
And determination.
Speed.
Not 15 miles an hour and stopping for a picnic halfway.
I did gun it before I got to it.
You need to gun it further back.
It's a bit of an uphill, that bit is. Oh.
Come on, hurry up, it's my turn. Stop milking it.
Right.
It's not about you, you know.
Only fucking...
What? Do you want me to help still?
Yeah.
Do you want me to ride it back?
You can't ride it back.
Oh, I don't mind riding it back if you want.
Ready?
I'll ride it back if you want. He's just jealous because he knows I can do it. Fucking hell. That was about 4 inches, mate.
Is it stuck yet?
I reckon you should turn around, go back down there, and then absolutely gun it up.
I'm going to take some clothes off.
You can do some what?
Take some clothes off.
Dude, it's not that kind of episode.
Right. Means we go down that way, got to get going again, haven't we?
No, I'm not filming you stripping. What word were you saying? Right, I'm going to go and be sick.
Hey, you're just digging a big hole! What are you doing?
You know what?
You absolute...
I think it's blocked. I reckon if we lift it up, get it over the sand, and I'll just ride it the rest of the way.
You ain't going to be able to ride it.
Yeah?
You're heavier than I am.
Yeah, but I'm better looking. Come on, lift it back.
Ready?
Ready, go. Work. What we could do,
Right.
I reckon what we do, we just leave it here.
No.
You come on the back of mine.
No.
Why?
Look at it.
You
Right.
leave it here, I can go get mine and ride it down. I can tow you out.
Let's... Not even the chains in the dirt now. Let's
Well, I reckon.
let's pick it up and move it out like you said.
I'll get my bike.
You can't pull it out, you've got
Put a
nothing
bit
to
of-
pull it with.
I've got a jockey strap. We'll put that around it. I'll go.
Your
full
bike's not going to be able to
No,
go down
even
here
better,
anyway.
Right, even better. What I'll do, if I gun it 100 miles an hour up here, you grab the jockey strap as I hold it out, and I pull you up.
Mate, you're not going to be able to get up here anyway.
Why?
Because you're not.
I'm better than you.
You're not.
You're alright. Let's do it.
Come on then.